EH 1,632.
Hello
Mr.
everyone. Yeah, it's nice to see you on the Sunday. We have a little bit technical issue, so our live stream delay a few minutes. Yeah, and then today is a good Sunday. We see a lot of green color. Yeah, due to the price of crypto, Bitcoin, and everything is we are at the green. Yeah, like the share stream, Mr. Nicholas also shared to us the price of Bitcoin, ETS, and all the crypto today. Yeah, we also can see the price of Bitcoin. Reached the 30,000. Yeah, it's just a little bit small target. Yeah, as expectation due to so many reaction from the market from the currently uh, issue with the world, like Israel war, like the Ukraine war, um, and expectation from the crypto market, like when the SEC will approve the ETF spot Bitcoin on January. Uh, People ask why because January is the deadline. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, do you have any or some of the slide want to share to our viewer today?
Okay, just two pieces from me. Then later we'll go on and look for other interesting stuff. Right. So when it comes to BTC, BTC is very reliant on mining and hash rate and all these kind of things, right? So right now in Texas, USA, there's this company called what's his name? Applied Digital. This is the company name. All right. So they basically have a new 200 megawatt data center in Texas. Right. So it is turning its focus away from Bitcoin, just like many other mining firms, right? They are slowly turning their focus away from mining, but towards the high performance computing. Yeah, high performance computing. So
Yeah,
it's energy intensive and it supports the AI industry. So right now, slowly we are going to see a lot of how would say kind of like transition or maybe working together. Yeah.
yeah,
So this particular data center, once fully energized, they will bring 480 megawatts of hosting capacity across the blockchain facility. Yeah. So the okay, this is little information on Bitcoin current hash rate. Now it's 400 exahash. So for them, this company currently their they are going at 7 to 8.5 EH. So of course, Cummins, this guy is I think is the CEO of this Applied Digital. It says other miners own rigs that they operate, and these people operate on their behalf. And this kind of business allows this company to earn 22 million in revenue during the quarter ending May. Yeah,
yeah,
so I believe a lot of all these mining company slowly they are reorganizing their business. Instead of just doing a lot of mining on their own, uh,
yeah,
they they let other people they operate on other businesses behalf to mine or something like that. Yeah, so I think quite a number of mining firms are doing that right now, and I'm pretty sure that there will be an increased number of mining firms that are kind of
yeah.
like focusing on this area as well. Yeah,
They must try all their best to do the mining before the halving. Yeah,
yeah,
we think the halving coming next a few months before the president election. We will see the Bitcoin halving. Like last time, 4 years ago, we also had a live stream halving about the halving coming when the Bitcoin price about 5,000 and then it jumping 4 times. We also expectation like today, Bitcoin around 30,000. If 4 times, maybe next 4 years, the price of Bitcoin may go to around 100,000 plus. Yeah, so we can expect that. Yeah. And mining activity daily is so hard, and people to BTC mining need to improve their mining rig. Yeah, and invest more in the mining activity. Yeah.
Mm.
And with that, Mr. Nicholas, could you share something about to us about SEC? Yeah.
This one coming up is the piece of news about XRP and Ripple. Okay, we all know that Ripple, XRP is the call sign for Ripple coin, right? Yeah. So
Yeah.
SEC, I think it was since 2019 or something, or
Yeah.
I don't know. In the last 3 to 4 years, they have been having this I don't know, lawsuit case or whatever
Yeah.
against Ripple. So for
Yeah.
the last few years, these two top executives, what are their names? I forgot to put their names. But anyway, they are two leading guys. So right now, SEC dropped the charges against these two leaders. So the moment the charges was dropped, you see SRP jump about 4.1% to 51 cents. Yeah. So of course, it doesn't mean that the SEC is not continuing to pursue this case, but it just means that they cannot. Okay, here it says the parties agreed to voluntarily dismiss the aiding and abetting charges against two executives with prejudice, meaning it cannot be filed again. So, which means these two guys can never be charged again or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but the SEC will continue to pursue this claim against Ripple. In other
Yeah.
words, they let go a little bit, but they are still watching and still biting. Yeah, but instead of looking for these are from these two guys. Instead of looking for the criminals stealing company customer funds and offshore exchanges that were courting political favor, the SEC went after the good guys. This is according to what they say. Yeah. So, but in this case, in the same ruling, this judge by the name Analisa Torres, it says the company have violated federal security laws in selling XRP directly to institutional investors. Meaning what? SEC want to have received applications and they want to approve everything before you can start selling
Yeah. Yeah.
to
That's,
institutional investors. That's the part where SEC is not very happy about. You
yeah.
did for me, you did whatever. I didn't approve, and you sell your XRP to these investors. So now I'm going after you, something like that. Yeah. So Ripple says is now doing almost 90% of its business beyond US border, meaning what they are doing 90% of their businesses outside of USA. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because doing inside of USA is dangerous.
Yeah.
Basically, what they are saying right here, right now in this
Yeah.
sentence, is trying to tell us doing doing the business at home, I might get charged again.
Yeah. Because as I hear that if SEC continue to the refine again, they will lose again. So
Yeah, they might
SEC
lose the round. There's no
they
guarantee
yeah,
that they'll stay. The case will stay the way as it is right now,
yeah.
right?
When SEC they they got they lose the lawsuit between them with the Ripple. The price of the crypto going up from 16,000 to 25 or 20 or 26,000 last few months ago. Yeah. So the SEC they also in the pressure that they must approve the spot ETF. Yeah, because this year, this early this year, uh, they some of the the big company they submit the spot ETF and they receive the the promise that SEC will answer, and SEC they cannot reject, because if they keep rejecting, the company will submit again. Yeah, and based on some of the financial institutional like CB Morgan, like some of the big bank, they also the SEC they must approve soon. Yeah, based on the big news like Coindex, like Cointelegraph, all the big news they say like that.
SEC likely to approve spot Bitcoin ETF
Yeah,
in the next few months. Wow, next few months is a long time, because
yeah,
in 2 months' time, 3 months' time, it'll be 2024. And then
yeah,
another few months' time, we'll be halving already. Yeah, so approval is likely before January 10, as they say here. So, which is the deadline for whatever this thing, ARC21 shares application. Yeah. So, I don't like to see this lady. How do I click?
yeah,
Click.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So Bitcoin has gained this week due to increased optimism about the potential approval of multiple spot ETF.
Yeah.
Of course, this is said by JP Morgan. Uh,
Yeah, saving can also one of the bank they uh, uh, always criticize Bitcoin, and now they also say a little bit to support it, like SEC they will soon. Yeah, because they know that it's a hard time for all the big bank, for all the company. If when the U.S. when the U.S. they tightening the money supply like this, so when the SEC they approve the spot ETF, the people is still buying gold, or they also have more option to buy crypto through the spot ETF. We know we have the future ETF, but the future ETF also may not reach with some of the people, because buying the Bitcoin future ETF uh, have a little bit risk, because we also can expect what is the price of the Bitcoin in the future, because sometimes the price of crypto so volatile, uh, volatile, yeah. It's so hard to do like that.
yeah, over here, simple notion of why ETF is so popular. Because
Yeah,
ETF, okay, in other words, in short, is actually exchange traded fund, right? ETF are traded on exchange like stocks
yeah,
and performance of an underlying asset, right? They are popular because they allow investors to gain access to cryptocurrency without having to purchase the underlying digital asset themselves. So which means what? They are very interested in cryptocurrency, but they are fearful of getting too deep into cryptocurrency. So they decided, okay, maybe this ETF is a nice idea. So because it allows me to gain access to cryptocurrency without having to dip myself deep into this
yeah,
cryptocurrency,
that's right. Yeah,
especially Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin, what? 30,000 per Bitcoin. So if I'm going to dip myself in, how much money am I going to spend to buy one Bitcoin? So I rather if I have I want to spread out my basket, I rather go for this ETF, which is easier for me to uh, imagine and think and understand as well.
yeah, that's right.
So the crypto market is hopeful that the approval of spot Bitcoin ETF will lead to a flood of mainstream money into the sector.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
So yeah. So this is updates of this Bitcoin ETF. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. That's why a lot of people expect the price of Bitcoin will go up after SEC they approve the Bitcoin spot,
Yeah.
and we also have a lot of news. Is it's also it's also we also can say the information that need to support for people thinking about some safe haven, some the way to Bitcoin.
Oh yeah. So
Um, uh,
there's a piece of information here from Decrypt is that
Solana,
Solana
yeah,
Solana went up by 25.
SOL,
So yeah, the call sign is SOL. So Bitcoin reclaimed 30,000, Solana up by 25%. Of course, this Bitcoin going up to 30,000 is in the hope of this
yeah,
ETF we just mentioned earlier, right? Yeah.
yeah,
So on the right side here, we can see law and under this law and order,
yeah,
Binance is like a grocery store selling oranges,
yeah,
and SBC should leave it alone, says crypto lobby group.
yeah,
I think it's funny, yeah, but it's kind of interesting to put it that way, you know. Binance is
yeah,
like grocery store selling oranges. But anyway, we can see some AI model transparency is getting worse. I don't know. Uh, Maybe another day we can come across a better article talking about this topic. But
yeah,
AI is a very deep topic, yeah, I would say, because it covers a large spectrum. Yeah, so Vitalik's biggest worry. Vitalik is the founder of Ethereum.
yeah.
So
It's
it's
a,
crypto. This is his fear is that crypto stagnates and and uh, and the presence
AI,
of AI risk. So maybe we can go in and see what he says. You know, yeah.
yeah,
So he believes that Ethereum can provide potential solution to address AI related challenges. Sounds interesting. Such as digital impersonation. There's a lot of digital impersonation going on right now. Yeah, so I hope something would come out of all this Ethereum stuff that he is planning. Yeah, so during the recent AMA Farcaster, someone asked, one user asked, so of course he said the risk that the crypto stagnates and things like privacy and open internet infrastructure become a lost cause. So I think this is important to think about, a good thing to think about because Ethereum and or rather Bitcoin started out as a decentralized cryptocurrency, right?
yeah,
So of course, after a long 10 long years, more than 10 years, it's 2008 until now, right? 15 years. After
yeah,
50 years, a lot of people, there are a lot of forkings, a lot of new stuff that come out, a lot of now you even see a red coin, you know. Yeah, so uh, open internet infrastructure need to continue in order for the crypto world, digital world to be more
yeah,
kind of free world, so to speak, free digital world.
yeah,
But of course, a lot of authorities trying to control it. And nevertheless,
yeah,
when you have, of course, another user asks, "Oh, what about them? What about most ask the same, wondering what the different things about or what Vitalik thinks all the time. He thinks all the time, every day thinking of the AI related issue.
yeah.
Right? Yeah, but for
Last time
people,
I also,
yeah, for people like them, every day they are thinking how to improve, how to make things better and freer for everyone. Right? Yeah.
yeah.
Mr.
I
Richard.
also see Vitalik say something about on the X. He explained why his ETS address keeps selling some amount of the crypto, and he said that actually he did not sell crypto for himself for his personal purpose because last time he keep the crypto from some of the uh, uh, charity account. So now some of the charity account need some money, so he need to cash out. Yeah, that is the explanation why sometimes he sells some million of the ETS from his ETS account. Yeah, uh, because people they always afraid some of the whale selling some large amount of the crypto, and it will make the market crash. Yeah, that's the worry of the people. Yeah. Mr. Nicholas,
All right.
we,
So I saw this piece of article called "Privacy Focused Blockchain Raises 7 million led by Multicoin Capital." Yeah. So Phoenix, maybe this is how this is pronounced. Phoenix. Yeah, it's an
yes,
Ethereum-based blockchain that is described as what confidential.
yeah,
Announced 7 million seed round led by these two companies.
yeah,
Call right?
collide.
So we all know that at one time, high privacy coins are kind of like
Yeah,
refused or banned by a lot of authorities or something because they say,
yeah,
"Oh, it's too private. We can't see any of your transaction,
yeah, that's right.
see any of your we can't peek into your privacy, private areas."
Yeah,
Yeah, that's why. But I believe this high privacy cryptos is going to be back. Uh, I think they'll be more relevant in the coming few years because, as you know, when authorities get hold of all this crypto and start to arrest a lot of, I don't know,
yeah, but
they are
it's a
shaking
long
up,
way.
they are shaking up the crypto world with all their might because why? They can't track their transaction. uh, it's difficult to track transaction. I mean, it's not impossible. It's very difficult to track transactions. Yeah, and moreover, the usage of USD is uh, getting lesser and lesser because a lot of people are moving away from using US dollar. For example, countries like India, Saudi, Iran, when they start trading, they start to not use US dollar anymore, or rather reduce the usage of US dollar. So that is where the the Fed become feeling the squeeze. Yeah,
Yeah,
less people are using my currency, so now I must find ways to make my currency stay relevant. Yeah, so that is why that's part of the reason why high privacy coins at one time has been it become a taboo. Yeah,
yeah,
but nevertheless, they are the one of the most useful ways to transfer money as well. Yeah, if you look at it. Yeah, so
yeah. But I think it's a long way for the
it's a long way.
privacy coin.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a
it's a
long.
really long way.
So
Because Bitcoin also is a long way for Bitcoin can be accepted by the public, and now the privacy coin um, following up. Yeah, it's also need a long way,
Amazon,
longer than big crypto.
yeah, Amazon want to make it easier to launch crypto games.
Yeah. That is some of the nice new when we see some of the Web3, the game fee. Yeah, they they jump into the crypto and they like you see the
Ah,
Sega say the blockchain gaming. Yeah, it's a nice when they integrate the blockchain with the gaming. People they use the NFT as the Pokemon card to try to use. Yeah, nowadays people the youth they also like that because sometimes when the youth playing game they like to uh, keep the collection. Yeah, some of the character. Yeah, like the Pokemon
favorite
card.
characters, right?
Yeah, yeah. So they also use yes in the article as I can see the NFT card. Yeah. Uh, in the future, it may some of the company they may issue the NFT card and sell out like the Pokemon
Yeah.
card. You can scan it and you can play it in the game. Yeah.
Talking of which, I think that's very, very highly possible because like I have a friend who still plays Magic Card. Have you heard of Magic Card?
Yeah. I remember the
It's,
magic
at one
card.
time very, very popular. A lot of people are crazy over it. Now there are still a group of people over here in Singapore. They're still playing it. Yeah,
Yeah,
so people like them, I think it's a matter of time they say, "Whoa, there's this NFT. Why don't we buy the NFT as well?" Because I heard, let's say for example, they have this very rare card, right? In that among that is this magic card thing. I don't play magic, so I'm not sure, but he says that there's this particular card that would like cost 100,000 if you put it up in the market.
yeah,
It's like what? that's
yeah,
like that's like 3-4 times of Bitcoin price.
yeah. But in the future, the card may have the price like the token. Like if
Yeah,
the company issue the token, the price of the token is it will define based on the trend activity. Like some of the game we know today, like of the infinity game. Yeah, you may hear that infinity.
infinity.
Yeah, uh, I IS ISN ISS. Yeah, it's
In,
a
infinity
in
game.
infinity game. Yeah, ISS. Yeah, that's the Vietnamese developer.
Oh,
They
AXS lah. Infinity
yeah
game AXS.
ISS game. Yeah. Excel Infinity, yeah, you also can see that. Um, yeah, it's correct. It's the first, yeah, it's the first link. Yeah,
Oh, this one. Wow,
yeah.
this is
Now
interesting. Huh?
people can use and trade the card. Yeah, and they use the coin ISS. They receive some of the youth. Receive the ISS when they do the mission, and they can sell. They sell it for the crypto. Yeah. Yeah, they can earn from this. Yeah, it's
Wow,
also a nice thing. Yeah,
this will get children engaged to crypto, right? Yeah, because
yeah,
all these pictures, they are very attractive to kids.
yeah. This game when people playing, they also choose can keep their wallet at the account. Yeah, if because if they lose their wallet, they will lose the account.
They
They
have this
cannot.
Discord channel,
Yeah,
I think.
with the Discord. Yeah, it's also a nice game to play. Yeah, it's like the Crypto Kitty, but it's had a lot improvement. Like you do the mission, you can earn this. Yeah,
I personally think that I have not visited my kitty in a long time.
yeah, me too. Because the Crypto Kitty last time I remember, it may have some of the little bug that when the people try something, yeah, it can make the infinity character like this. Yeah. So I think you can take time to explore
Oh,
the
they
game.
have marketplace. They have marketplace as well.
Yeah,
So I
that's
can
right.
see that they are doing all these virtual lands kind of thing, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Wow, this is
It's also like the game
oh yeah,
um,
this I remember like the what
Decentraland,
this
Decentraland,
Central. This is correct, correct.
Decentraland. Yeah,
This gave me the feel of this decentralized.
yeah. Uh, you also can trade with the mana. Yeah, and now when I see you also can trade with the Ethereum. If you buy the land, you got some of the Ethereum. Yeah,
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 interesting.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let's go back. So this
Yeah.
was Bitcoin ETF just now. So right, billionaire sale pre-sales. Okay, what is it? What is this billionaire? It's probably some.
Gambling, yeah, BNB chain
See,
partnership, yeah,
the why I click into this 7 million and this 4.5 million is that blockchain and crypto related startups and companies, they are
Yeah.
slowly becoming more and more popular among investors.
Yeah. Yeah.
So when they look at, oh, this is blockchain, this is crypto, okay, maybe I should invest. Yeah. So billionaire, what a very uncreative name. Billionaire. Yeah, is pioneering a blockchain-powered gaming raffle platform set to
Gambling.
recognize
Uh,
online gaming and
Online gambling and
online
game.
gambling and gaming
Yeah.
industry. Okay, this is something
Yeah.
that I could not be very excited about because I don't gamble.
Yeah.
Because every time I gamble, I'll lose money. So
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
It's sometimes we also can say it's luck because we lose with a small amount. If we do gambling, we win
yeah.
small amount, but we lose a large amount. Yeah, it's also
Yeah.
trouble for us.
So earlier, Mr. Richard mentioned something about Sega executive, blah blah blah.
Yeah,
Right, this Sega gaming, an unknown world worth exploring.
yeah,
So actually, it's about time they start doing all this crypto related stuff and go into the blockchain world. Yeah. So anyway, let's see if we have any other more interesting things. Oh, no more. No more. Okay.
I think so now we also cover up some of the latest news about the crypto and the reason why the crypto market is very excited today. Yeah, we
Yeah.
also can hope that
Okay. This some of this headline here, true or not, we just need to be reminded that as we get ourselves involved in crypto investment and all, we need to do a lot of due diligence. So this is also to remind our listeners that each time you go and check out on a coin and want to invest, do remember to read enough and check out enough of what the background is and all, and don't be like these people here who have lost a lot of money. I believe
yeah,
this is a collective amount and not just one person. It's probably quite a number of people lost added together. So
yeah,
crypto 8 Israel passes what 185k emergency relief. All right, so at least there's something about good thing about crypto 8. They are helping war affected people through cryptocurrency. Yeah. So okay. So I think what bid license chase? Will California's bid license chase crypto firms out of the state? Oh, maybe. Yeah. Because if you grill them too much, they may say, "Oh, just like what XRP, I'm going to operate outside of USA."
yeah. Yeah, that's right. And I also think it's also the time for to complete the live stream this early morning. If you have any question, please let us know. And hope to see you all in the next live stream, Mr. Nicholas.
All right. Thank you for joining us. Like I mentioned earlier, do your own due diligence as you invest in new coins. And of course, we hope you make some money. And do watch out for the, I don't know, hopefully Bitcoin price will start to jump another 2,000 or something like that.
Yeah, yeah. We also hope that. Yeah, yeah. Okay. See
Okay.
you next live.